Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here in the car and we're going shopping in my house. So I thought we would do something a little different and I created this tag called the Shop Your House Dollar Tree tag. So I wanted a way to share with you guys how I use some of my favorite Dollar Tree items in my home. So we're headed in. Let's go shopping. So starting right here at my front door, I have some Dollar Tree floral in my little envelope I keep on my door. I just switch them out seasonally. Dollar Tree did a great job on these floral picks. There's a few different versions and I also use them in my living room. Currently, I have them in my little bird cage. They came out with a few different versions. I mixed them together, just threw them in a couple of galvanized tins, and I love the way they look. I hope they continue to carry them. Now up here on a shelf I have in my living room, pretty high up, you'll see these little hooks along my shelf. That's what I use to keep garlands in place, and those are from the Dollar Tree, as well as this galvanized tin that I put my artificial plant in. Now in my kitchen, I have this two-tiered tray. This is actually a Dollar Tree DIY that I did using Dollar Tree products. I made this tray. It's in the center of our table, and I put our napkins on top. Now you'll see a lot of the Excelsior grass. I picked this up at the Dollar Tree. It's a really good deal and I like to add it to little areas of my decor. You'll probably notice this little flower tin up here. Shh, don't tell the kids. They don't know what I keep in it, but that is a Dollar Tree item that I aged and use in my decor. I looked over at my refrigerator and realized everything is from the Dollar Tree. This heavy duty clip, which I love, it holds our calendar, my little notepads, my magnets, my pin holder, the little clip that I keep notices on, even the acrylic frame that I keep a family picture in, are all from the Dollar Tree. Over here, I have this little Bless Our Home sign and my dinner bell. I like to use a lot of the bins from the Dollar Tree for organizing. I take all my baggies out of their containers and put them in these little bins that fit perfectly in my drawers. Now in my bathroom, I have a lot of Dollar Tree products. The first things are the containers for my Q-tips and cotton rounds. These can be found over in the area where you can find paper plates and party goods. Even my Q-tips and cotton rounds are from the Dollar Tree, as well as my fabulous stock of Bolero wipes. I love them and use them every day. Our hand soap is from the Dollar Tree, and some of my favorite hair clips as well. Now in my medicine cabinet, I picked up this little tube of Oxy Maximum Strength. This is one of my absolute favorite things from the Dollar Tree. I keep witch hazel in it. And I do pick up their little travel size containers to keep my eye makeup remover in. Something I couldn't live without, their little floss picks. And over here I have my mouthwash that is from the Dollar Tree. I just transferred it into this large glass. Now under my sink, I use a lot of little bins and containers from the Dollar Tree to keep me organized. I like to take things out of the containers. They take up less space. And I even picked up some cold cream, which is great for removing eye makeup from the Dollar Tree. These stackable bins are awesome for storage, as you can see, and even back there, I have one of their moisture eliminators. I like to buy everything in green for my storage and organization. They didn't have the white ones when I started buying all of their little containers. These are all Band-Aids, and yes, we use a lot of Band-Aids. I like to put the smaller containers in the larger ones to make things a little more organized, and it looks like the kids have already been in here today. I also really like to pick up their Wet n Wild makeup brushes. This is my absolute favorite blush brush, and I have a few different for eye makeup that I pick up. These are great, they're really soft. These are quite old actually, I've washed them many times. And my little handheld mirror for putting on my makeup. I love it because you can stand it up or you can just hold it, and it's the perfect little size. I also like their washcloths and the bath hand towels. They're a nice rough texture, and I just personally prefer that in a washcloth. Back in my kitchen, I use one of their little plastic bottles for my dish soap, and my hand soap dispenser is also from the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I use a few of my favorite Dollar Tree products in my house for organization and just day-to-day use. Now I'm going to tag Vanessa, who is the Lemonade Mom. She does all kinds of organizing, planning, Dollar Tree meals, and vlogs. Her name is Vanessa over at the Lemonade Mom. Thank you so much, Vanessa, for agreeing to do this with me. And go check out her channel. And if you're interested at all in doing this tag, let me know down below. I'd love to see your video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all soon in the next one.